Look, I agree that I have made a mistake by helping Goyal. And even then, he is ruined now. Moreover, KK doesn't wish to do any business with me. I'm already being punished for my mistakes. And I want to repent.
How?
Look, you must know that the bid for Fly High Airways is reopening. And Karthik is trying to win it.
So?
So my point is, KK should not be doing this deal.
Okay, but why shouldn't he?
Whatever CARD might say. But Prabhakar, I have a feeling that this is sabotage. The truth will be revealed soon. Prabhakar, the one who can orchestrate a plane crash, is capable of doing anything. KK should stay away from this deal.
The one who can orchestrate a plane crash, KK, is capable of doing anything. But Karthik wants this deal.
I know, but only you can convince KK. He will listen to you, right?
Today you must choose between this airline deal and me. But he will listen to me only if I have evidence to prove this.
Prabhakar, I know you very well. Such a huge incident happened, but you are so calm. It's difficult to believe that you did not find any evidence about it. Tell me.
We cannot approach KK without concrete evidence.
I'll bring you the evidence that proves who is behind the plane crash. I'll give you the information. I promise. But you must also make a promise.
Fine. I promise. You bring the evidence to prove your loyalty, and I will convince KK to forgive you.
Thank you, Prabhakar. This is what I expected.
Oh. You didn't have your tea. It must be cold now.
Bye.
Tea?
No, I don't want to have it. You can have it.
Siddhant. Nice bike. I know our last meeting was not good, but just for the records, I'd still tell you that I am not your enemy. Instead, I'm impressed because I can recognize talent. Bye.
If they don't want to drink tea, then why do they ask me to make it?
What was she doing over here?
Who?
That woman who just left.
How would I know? Does anyone care to tell me what's happening?
Siddhant, please drop him home.
No, dear, I'll manage. Besides, Siddhant and I are going different ways.
And Siddhant, did you see Madhurima's photo? I need to give an answer. Uncle must be waiting for it. And you didn't tell me that you were looking at Anushka's photo?
Why are you pestering me? I told you I don't want to get married.
But he's impossible.
30 minutes are not passing by. Hello?
Anushka, where are you? Everyone is waiting.
Well, I'm getting ready.
It's taking a lot of time for you today. If you say we can start from here, it's getting late.
No, I'll be right there. I'm coming. I am the one who's running late. Siddhant will be here by 11:30. I just want these 30 minutes to pass. Why do you take this stuff out to repair it?
This place is special. Everything gets fixed over here.
Well, do you really know how to do it, or are you just dismantling it?
Instead of talking rubbish, it would be much better if you can help me, right? Come on, keep it there. Will you please take it now? Careful, it's a blade. Didn't I tell you it's a blade? But no, you won't listen. You are too soft as well.
It's not paining much. And you were the one who told that people must endure pain, right?
I was talking about myself. You should not endure any pain, okay?
Why?
Well, because you are Krishna Kant Reddy's daughter and you won't have to face any hardships. You can leave it for us.
Yes, Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
I can only find one technical candidate in the entire list. SVP Flight Operations, Dinesh Swami.
He's a pilot, sir. He's very technically sound. He knows everything about an aircraft.
Can I meet him?
He's on a vacation. His sister's wedding or something like that.
Since when?
He applied for leave 3 days before the plane crash.
And he is not back yet.
No.
Just check. I would like to meet him.
Sure, sir.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू